At the same time doing the clutch replacement, I'm also changing the gearbox, the transmission oil for the gearbox, and it's pretty black, as you can see. I've saved some here so you can see, but it's pretty basic. You use a 15/16 if it's not, if 24 millimeters feels too big. So, and this is also 24 millimeters or 15/16 inch tool. The gearbox is supposed to take something between 2.1 and 2.2 liter, I think. I'm using fully synthetic. I'm gonna put in it, and it might be a bit hassle to get it in, but I think I'll manage with some small trap here. Replacing transmission oil, and the car has done about 100,000 kilometers, 10,000 mil. So it's time. It should be done every 50,000 kilometers about, or even 40,000 kilometers according to the manual, repair manual. So it should be hot, but I haven't had the time to start it, but you should have the oil hot when you replace it, not that you burn yourself. Watch out. So this is old transmission oil, and I'm replacing it with this one, fully synthetic 75/90, and I'm using a Castrol bottle who has this top to refill the upper filler plug, since this one is cheap enough and don't have them. So I'm pushing this one into that one, and then that one into the transmission box. So I've done it now. An API GL5, but it doesn't disturb brass and so on. It's fully synthetic.